Hey guys, I'm back today with another video, but this is going to be a little bit different. This is not a hair tutorial, a hair video. I ain't talking about no hair. Well, I might talk about hair a little bit, but I want to give you guys a room tour and show you guys what I did. Now, my room was like a mess before. I mean, it was organized a little bit, but not as organized and clean as it is now. What I did, kind of walk you through everything. I did not have to spend a bunch of money to get it together, but I'm very happy with the way that everything is looking. Hopefully I'm not looking too crazy. I'm just at home chilling. I've done all my errands and stuff for the day, and I came back in this room to get everything clean. So I really hope you guys enjoy this. It's something different, and one of my goals was to get more type of content out instead of hair, because I love hair, but I'm not just hair. I like to do other stuff too. I mean, I'm low-key kind of boring, but I like to do a little bit of something. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with this video. I hope you guys enjoy. So I really hope you guys can hear everything that I'm saying because they are cutting grass outside. So I hope that is not too loud, but I'm gonna first come into the room and I'm gonna show you guys my little sitting area. This is definitely my favorite part of this room. I'm so happy that I went with this emerald couch instead of going with a pink couch. They also had like a deep purple couch, but this one really stood out to me, and in person it is just so vibrant. Of course, I'm gonna make sure to leave all the links down below if you guys are interested in any of the items. Most of these items I did pick up from Amazon and also IKEA, but like 95% of it came from Amazon. I was trying to do it on a budget and not go overboard, but yeah. So we are renting this house and my walls are very warm tone, and at first I was thinking about doing a renter-friendly renovation, but I really did not want to have to go through that because we won't be here for a long time. My main focus in here was to really get lights. The more lighting I have in here, the more better it is. Nesting tables came from Amazon. Now, I could not fit both of them in this area because this couch is not big enough to have both of them. However, I did not want to return it because I felt like eventually it will go good, you know, if we move in another spot. And I really like the way they look. So I just placed the smaller one to the side and it works out fine. And then I have this white carpet, this little fuzzy carpet. I already had this, so I just kind of incorporated it in with the rest of it. I did not want to go with too much gold and also too much pink. So the white is really a nice look. The details on this table is really pretty. And then I just have, what is this called? Pampas grass, I believe. Now, I do feel like I need a little bit more something right here. You guys have to let me know. I was thinking about putting some cute little books, like a stack of books. But if this is enough, like, do y'all think I need some more, or I should leave it alone? Also, I put one of my favorite candles from Bath & Body Works. This is the Aromatherapy Love. This has rose and vanilla, and I just felt like the color of it went perfect with this couch. Now, these pillows that I have are also from Amazon, and then I got pillow covers. So I try not to buy decorative pillows that I cannot take the cases off, because if they get dirty, I get a little bit paranoid, and then I end up just wanting to throw them away and get more pillows. So I like to get them with the covers. So the covers came separately from the pillows. This couch though, y'all, it is so dang on pretty. Now, this couch is probably the most expensive thing that I did buy out of the, you know, upgrade of this room. And it did take a while to come. So if you like it and you want it to come like ASAP, that's not gonna happen. I wanna say it took about a month, but it was definitely well worth the wait. It is really good quality. Now, is it the most comfortable to sit on? I don't think so. It's not meant to sit on long term, but I wanted a little sitting area in the room for when I do decide to sit. So next we'll talk about this picture frame. This one came from Amazon also. Now, it did come with two, but my husband felt like two was just doing too much in the space because I still wanted to showcase the lamps on the side. And I'm happy I did not go with two because then I wouldn't have been able to really put my lighting, even though the lighting is more flexible and it can bend down. I just felt like two would have been too much. So I'm happy I did not end up putting both, but I did save the other one because I was like, if I move into a bigger space, I can always use these pictures again. It came from Amazon also, and this one came really quick, so it didn't take no time at all. These light stands are really great because it comes with a remote control. So I can control the lighting and the setting in here. So let's just say if I want to read a book, I can change it. Games, feeding, coffee. I like to have it on the daytime setting, and of course you can always change it, the temperature in the room and how high up you want it to go. Sorry if it's not focusing. I'm filming this on a phone, so I didn't want to have to get out my camera for this, but these lamps both came from Amazon also, and you can touch them on the side if you don't want to have the remote. But why wouldn't you want to have the remote? It comes with the remote. But if you're sitting over here and you just forget to get the remote, you can just touch them and control it like that. I mentioned this little vase came from IKEA, and then these came from Amazon also. Now this right here came from, I think, Marshalls. I got it from Marshalls. I thought it was cute to just put on top of it. We'll move on to my desk area. I initially wanted a desk from Impression Vanity, but it was like $800 and I just did not feel the need to spend that much money. It just wasn't needed. I ended up ordering these drawers from IKEA, and then we ended up getting the tabletop. Initially, I ordered a shorter tabletop, but it was not wide enough for me to sit at the desk comfortably. So we ended up going back to IKEA and getting this longer one, which works out perfect. I feel like my desk area needs a little bit of love, but it's not cluttered, it's not messy, so it works out well for me. And then right up here, I got this from Marshalls also. So on my desk, I just have a notepad. I like to write all my notes in the notepad before I film a video. This candle from Posh Candle, it says create, hustle, repeat. That is a drawing that Jada did for me, so it stays up there. This white elephant came from Marshalls also. This little plant came from Marshalls. These drawers hold my baby hair brushes. And then also I have pens and erase markers because I do have a board that I need to put up. And this is just like my little bitty stuff. I got this little mirror from Amazon. I did not want to do like a big mirror up here. I might change my mind eventually, but right now this works. And then also I got this little ring light from Amazon because there's not really a lot of lighting over here and I didn't want to get something huge. This is where I hold my brushes. Yes, they dirty, I know this. This is my little phone holder. And then in these drawers, I have lip glosses, bunch of lip glosses, lipsticks, glosses. I'm a gloss. I don't go into too much detail what's down here, but this is all of my synthetic wigs besides the Kalai hair one. This is the wigs that I have kept or I need to review. Have them down here really nice and stored away. This basket came from Target. In my drawers, I just have it nice and organized. I got these storage organizers from Amazon also. I wear more powder than anything and concealer. So I only have 2 liquid foundations. I have the Estee Lauder and then also the NARS. And then everything else is powder. Yes, my sponge is dirty. I'ma clean it, I promise y'all. And then this is all of my setting powders. This is just powders, bronzers. I think that's a blush. I'm not really gonna go with too much detail. And then this is where I keep my concealers. And then mascara. Just trying to keep it a little organized up in there. Makeup sponges. And I picked up some new concealers from e.l.f. And then I also picked up this today from ColourPop. This is a blush stick. I've never tried blush stick, so I hope it works. This drawer, this is where I keep my setting sprays and then also my palettes. There's all my lip liners. I mean, they're pretty much all the same color. Why do I keep buying the same color? I don't know, but it ends up happening. And this is where I house all of my lashes. You guys know right now I'm wearing lash extensions, but sometimes when I haven't made it for a refill, then I have lashes on deck so that I'm not looking crazy in my eye. Right here is just a little miscellaneous drawer. Some glasses, some candles, hand sanitizer, Aquaphor, just a little junk drawer. Y'all know how to go. Here's where I keep my most used hair tools so I can just grab them when I'm filming, because the little area where I film at is right next to this desk. On the other side is another junk drawer. Both of the remotes for the lights, combs, lotions, and hair clips and stuff. Right here is my sprays, my gels, edge controls, wax sticks, baby hair goo, whatever you need. And then right here is all of my tints, some more lace spray, more tint, all my foams, and my T-pins because I always lose T-pins. So right here, y'all gonna be like, what? That's all you got? So I am not big on hoarding wigs. I am not big on it. I think it's just crazy to keep 50 million wigs for myself. So I try to rotate what I keep in and what goes out, that I'm not hoarding a bunch of items. Right here is all of my wig cap. These are some of the wigs that I keep for my personal stash. So the wig that I have on today is from RPG Show, and then I have a Her Given wig right there. And then this is my hair stash. This is just my wig cart where I place the wigs that I get in from companies. So this is really the last major thing that I need to change in this room. And I definitely want to get something that kind of matches the rest of the storage systems in the room. But I'm gonna get to it. I just need to place my order with IKEA and figure out exactly which one I want. This little area is how I originally filmed in my video. This is what you've seen the last few times. Switched up some things on here. I took off some things, I added some things, but I decided to move it over. This came from IKEA also. The only thing that we did different was change out the knobs so that it went with the room. The knobs that it came with were like these just regular old gray knobs, but I ordered the knobs off of Amazon. I feel like it just flows better. On top of this, I bought these from Marshall's. I got 2 of them. I just feel like it went really well. This is my faux plant, because I ain't no plant mama, and this is gonna survive, so that's good enough. This little light also, sometimes I'll light. It is a wax warmer. This came from Amazon also. This is where I hold my headbands. This headband stand came from Amazon. This is my YouTube plaque. I honestly want to get a picture frame for it because it does get scratched very easily, and I don't want it to get any more scratches because I got a couple on there you can't really see. But I just have like a little stand that is holding on. This is also an area for some headbands and just extra ones I have. And then I have this little cute candle here that my friend bought me for my birthday. And then this little picture says Boss Babe. I believe I got this from TJ Maxx. It just says love, it just goes with the room. So I'm not gonna get too deep off in these drawers. This is where I hold like some of my backpack, filming equipment, lighting. There's some extra lenses in there. Some knobs, also some planners, extra headbands, lens wipes. You cannot go wrong with lens wipes because your lenses will get dirty really quick. Extra phone cord. And this is just like extra tools. I have a steamer in here for my curtain. This is just some stuff I have on the side that I need to figure out where that's going. You guys know I love purses, or if you don't know, I love me some purses. So I have my purses down here, some miscellaneous stuff from when I bought bags, like dust bags and stuff, extra tools, which I might move that, and then another little purse down here. So now we'll move on to just the little area that I sit in. Nothing fancy or anything. Or where I got this chair from, I don't remember at all. The table came from, I believe, Walmart. Just another little mirror so I can see what I'm doing. And then also these lights. Now these lights I just purchased, so my lighting has been way better in my videos. I'm still learning the lights. I know not to turn them up too high. So these lights really have worked out well, and I feel like they're pretty affordable. Because my room is so warm tone, I need this 3-point lighting system, so it works out. The stand came from Amazon that the camera is on. Another new thing I purchased was this lens. This is the Sigma lens. I'll make sure to leave that link down below with everything else. Uh-oh, I gotta do something wrong. What did I do? Okay, there it goes. I'm about to start singing for y'all. Yeah, this is just where I film at. There's my little curtain area. And I just have it tied up right now because I usually like to have the curtains open. This mirror, Amazon. This little area is my purses. Now I could put this in my room, but I like to have it in here because usually if I'm going out the door, if I want to switch my bags, I just come in here and kind of switch everything out, and then I'll decide on what bag to wear for. So now that I've talked y'all head off, I hope you really enjoyed this video that I decided to do last minute, and I wanted to add some different content to the channel. But if you guys did enjoy this, please make sure to let me know. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.